Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the most simple, natural, and enjoyable way. You don't need to take notes or memorize anything. Just listen carefully, stay focused, and watch this video several times. That's how you'll start to understand and speak English without even realizing it. Today's video is about lights, music, acting, and one of the most magical places in the world of entertainment, Broadway. You may have heard the word before, but what is Broadway and why is it so popular in the United States and around the world? Let's find out together. Broadway is a famous street in New York City, and it's home to some of the most well-known theaters in the world. When people talk about Broadway, they're usually talking about the collection of more than 40 professional theaters located in the theater district near Times Square. These theaters show Broadway musicals and plays, which are considered the highest level of live theater in the U.S. Broadway became popular in the early 20th century, when New York became the cultural capital of America. People from all over the country and the world would come to see live performances of stories told through powerful acting, beautiful music, and unforgettable songs. Over time, Broadway helped create a unique American art form, the Broadway musical. A Broadway musical is more than just a play. It includes singing, dancing, costumes, lights, sets, and often an orchestra. Some of the most famous musicals in history started on Broadway, like The Phantom of the Opera, Les Miserables, Cats, The Lion King, Hamilton, and Wicked. These shows attract millions of visitors every year and often tour other cities around the world. So why is Broadway so popular? First, it's about the quality. Broadway shows feature some of the best actors, singers, musicians, and directors in the business. Second, it's about the experience, being inside a beautiful old theater, watching a live performance with real people, real voices, and real emotion. There's nothing like it. And finally, Broadway is popular because it tells stories that matter. Some shows are funny and light, while others explore history, love, war, identity, and social justice. Broadway brings people together, makes them think, and helps them feel connected. Thank you so much for staying with us until the end of this video. If you enjoyed learning about what Broadway is and why it's so famous, don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. It's your chance to review everything you've learned and improve your English even more. Please give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us keep growing and creating more amazing videos for you. See you in the next adventure.